You. Today, I'm here with one of the question which is asked in the oral that there is boiler gauge glass. All of you have seen, I hope. This gauge glass, if we talk about the gauge glass, the glass part of it, it is having some corrugations. So, what is the need of it? Why these corrugations are basically given to the boiler gauge glass, and it is a thick also. So we are going to answer this, discuss this part today. Okay, so as you can see, the corrugations are nothing but the vertical ridges or the grooves on the glass. When the boiler gauge glass, you can see, so these basically are called the reflex gauge glass and is designed for a very important safety reason, that is the visual clarity and the distinct color contrast. Basically, the main objective of the gauge glass is to see the water level distinctly and clearly. So this helps in giving you the visual clarity of it. Okay, so how it is, what is the scientific reason behind this, and I will discuss this part also. Okay, so in high pressure boiler, it can be incredibly difficult to see the actual water line through a plain flat piece of glass. So if it is a thick also and a flat piece, then it is a very difficult to see the water line where exactly the water is. Okay, so because why it is difficult, because both water and steam are very clear if we talk about the high pressure boilers. Okay, basically 17 bar and all above, we can see this problem, but this practice is being followed to the medium pressure boilers also, like 7 bar, 9 bar, 10 bar, something like that. Okay, the corrugations is solving this problem. It is giving you the distinct clarity. So how it works, so we can see that how basically it is working part of it. How it works, basically the groove side of the glass faces inside of the gauge, means the groove which is there and one side is flat, so groove side is towards the water side and the steam side, and the smooth side is towards the operator. In the steam space, what happens, and in the water space what happens, we are going to see this part. Okay, so in the steam space it appears silver and white. How? Let's see. When the light enters the gauge from the front and hits the corrugation in the steam space, then there is no liquid change or path change. Basically the light which is going towards it, the path is not being changed because there is no liquid behind it, only the steam, and that too also mostly towards the dry steam. So the light rays are totally internally reflected. That means the 90-degree reflection happens from the groove surface and it bounces back straight to the observer's eye, and this makes the steam zone looks like a very bright shiny silver white mirror type. Okay, so this is something which is there in the steam side. Due to this corrugations, they get reflected back and the steam side looks silver white. But what happened in the water side, you can see that it appears dark black. How it is, let's see. When light enters the portion filled with the water, it has got some refractive index, correct? Water is very close to that of the glass. Instead of bouncing back, the light rays are getting refracted, or you can say the bend back and the straight through the water. So what happens, behind that glass you have the water. So when the light goes there, so it starts refracting, and the refracting means the bending towards that. So from where it bends, it observes like a back, it observes like a dark, it observes like a black part, and that place basically where is the steam and water interface which is there, it looks completely dark or the black, that interface. And our main objective is to basically identify this part. So this is the basic benefit which we have seen, that what is the benefit of the corrugation of the gauge glass. And another part is also there, it provides the structural strength also, so that it can withstand such pressure. Okay, so the structural strength part is also there and the clarity part is also there. Our main objective for the gauge glass is to identify exact the water level. Okay, so I am stopping with this. What are the other benefits and what are the different maintenance of the gauge glass and all? I will come with the another video. So thank you all of you.